What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is absolutely exploding right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. We're seeing a huge pump from down at 62K all the way up to pretty much 76,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. This is crazy, guys. What is happening? Also, we have broken past this exact level on the VPVR right here as well. And Bitcoin looks like it could be heading to this $86,000 range if a few certain things happen. Guys, in today's video, I want to talk about that. I want to talk about my new trade over here, my current trade on Coinbase, and also all this good stuff about crypto right now because it is exploding and there's a lot of interest once again. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. I truly do appreciate it. Also, if you want to give back, simply drop a comment down below and a like, and I'm giving away $100 every single Monday simply for just doing that. Also, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If in the UK, USA, UAE, or Europe, please don't watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the video because so the first thing I need to start this video by saying, guys, is Bitcoin is incredibly overbought right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. If we're looking on the daily chart right here, we're seeing levels which we haven't really seen since all the way back here in November of 2024, when we saw this huge pump from around 67 up to approximately 108. We have really not seen these levels in such a long time, and the Bitcoin price is heavily overbought right now. What does that mean? Well, usually it means there will be some form of a pullback, and of course we have broken this level right here. So in my opinion, if we were to realistically see a pullback, it would be to around this $72,000 range right here, in that range where we previously have a lot of volume, something like that. And then if we were to continue higher, we would see a bounce towards the upside. Guys, a lot of people have been making very beautiful trades in my private group, and these are my private trades which I don't always share on YouTube. We can see right here the long position closed right there, nearly 200% from this breakout. Previously right here as well, Solana 106%. Many people are trading in this group. It's completely for free to join. If you did want to go ahead and join Chart Chasers, down below there are many trades posted, and we can see if we scroll up just a couple of days ago, I posted this trade right here, Solana, before it broke out, and this trade exactly right here for gold, which hit, and a previous trade for Bitcoin as well, which hit as well. So the link is down there below. I really think we are going to have a small pullback. It's unlikely that we are going to see the price to explode this much and we are not to see some kind of a pullback. If we take a look at the 4-hourly chart right here, guys, we can see we are incredibly overbought right there. And even it looks like we could still see a little bit further of a higher push and then a retracement. Of course, if we're seeing massive pumps like this, it's only natural that the Bitcoin price will in fact reset itself as well, because we can't just continue pumping up forever. It's just not going to happen. And with having this massive levels of overbought, sorry, right there, it's only going to be a matter of time. I am up on my Coinbase trade over on Coinbase, guys, around 80% up on that trade since I opened it just a few days ago, which is nice. And I have also opened a very risky trade, guys, as well on UBIT. This is a 10x, $1 million short position right here. I could get absolutely wrecked on this trade, and I probably wouldn't advise anyone watching to do something similar. However, it could go very well. And again, I've set my stop loss pretty tight, so if we do in fact see a further high coming, it will get stopped out, and that's no problem. Previously, I said if I do get stopped out on my short position, I will open another one. And if I can get a short entry here, I think that it would be amazing. Of course, I have different trades open on different platforms, and sometimes I'm in a longer term short position or a shorter term long position. It all just depends on the market and what exactly is going on. My gold trade down here is doing very nice, around 23,000 US dollars in a profit right now. And I will of course keep you updated right now on this UBIT trade. Guys, UBIT is having a massive 10% deposit bonus for a limited time only. You can go ahead and get a 10% deposit bonus up to $1,000 USDT. So if you deposit $10,000, you're going to get $1,000 completely for free to trade with. Of course, there is no KYC on UBIT, so wherever you are in the world, you can sign up if it's legal to do so in your country. And also, you're going to get VIP2 instant, which is 25% discount on your fees as well. So make the most of it. Even if you just want to deposit $1,000 or something like that, you're going to get a 10% deposit bonus, which is $100, and you can go ahead and trade with that in this market. Yes, the markets are extremely volatile, but this is where we can start to see good entry points for different different positions if you were in fact interested in that. The link will be down below, guys, for Ubit as well. Of course, you know you're going to get 10% deposit bonus. No volume is in fact required. And my link for chart chasers down here, my private Telegram group, which is having signals like this completely for free. I would recommend going ahead and joining that down below. Now, we're seeing a lot of liquidations. In yesterday's video, I was telling you over 3.1 billion worth of liquidations in 24 hours. Now we're seeing around 1.26 billion. Of course, more shorts than longs because the price did continue to pump. And we can see right here on CoinGlass that there is a max pain price. So the max pain for the short positions is in fact 75,740, and the max pain for the long positions is 67,600. So if we were to pump to 75K, we would see a lot more shorts liquidated, and if we were to pump to or dump to 67, there will be a lot of longs in fact liquidated. And if we take a look at the liquidation heat map on the 1 month time scale, we can see that it starts to look a little bit different. Now we do have a lot of levels down here at 61, even down here at 51. Of course, many people are in fact in positions which, if the price did go there, they would in fact get liquidated. We are starting to build a little bit of resistance up here at around 78, 77K. It's coinciding with this right here, 75K. And if we change it to, for example, 2 weeks or even 1 month, this price, again, it increases just a little bit. So we're starting to build levels up here, which probably will be taken out. As I say, guys, usually the markets like to do the most painful thing, which would be to pump up, liquidate, and then dump back down below. You know, guys, my views, I am very, very open with this. I still think that we are, in fact, going to have a lower low, in my opinion. I don't think that this is I really don't think that this, if I can just get the correct chart, that would be absolutely amazing. I don't think that this is a low, the low right here at 57K. I really don't think it's the low. I think that in order for there to be an even bigger mass liquidation event, even this liquidation event we saw yesterday is bigger than October when we had FTX. I really think that in order to get a massive liquidation event, the price needs to come down here. And of course, that is going to be very, very appealing for many exchanges and the market makers. But I think in order to do that, we can't just dump down from here because everyone is expecting that. And usually if everyone is expecting the dump, like exactly they were right here, we can see, look how many long positions there are right here, and short positions basically none. Everyone now is long. Everyone is expecting long. Everyone is opening longs, and that's exactly what we don't want to be doing, in my opinion, or I don't want to be doing, because when we do expect that, when the price is pumping, look at this freaking green weekly candle. This is absolutely unbelievable. It's barely even heard of. Back here we had on February 24th, back here we had right here November 24, and it's really barely heard of. And we can see it in a bear market, guys. We do have massive pumps in a bear market. We can see right here we were in a bear market and we saw a pump over the course of just a couple of months of 40%. Right here as well, we were in a bear market. We saw a pump of 40%. It does happen. It's not unnatural for the price to pump up, but to continue pumping, for example, even to continue pumping up to this next target, which would be the 0.382 Fibonacci, which would be 84,000 US dollars, I just don't think we have enough volume and enough interest in Bitcoin right now to support a pump up there. That's why I have this short position open over on Ubit, a $1 million short position right there. And again, I think it could work. If it doesn't, I probably will open another short position, maybe a little bit smaller, as this is a little bit irresponsible. However, I really do think that I could potentially catch a really amazing trade. And as you know, my plan is to short Bitcoin. I already made a lot of profit shorting Bitcoin from when the price was up here at 80K back down here. And again, I use that money to buy spot for Bitcoin. And again, I'm going to be doing the same thing once again, because I truly don't believe we have a bottom. We have not even entered the golden pocket like we did last cycle. And we have not even come back down to this 0.786. Again, we didn't even enter this golden pocket, and the 786 is all the way down here at 40K. So I would expect a lower high right here, a rejection, a bounce, and a continuation back to this golden pocket, at least seeing low 50s for the low of Bitcoin this cycle. But very, very interesting time, guys. Of course, I could be completely wrong and the price could just continue up to new all-time highs. However, I highly doubt that, at least in the next few weeks or months. I highly doubt it. It's going to take a good 12 to 18 months, in my opinion, before we do see something like that. So I'm leaving my trade open, as I said. If you did want to go ahead and make the most of that 10% deposit bonus, it is a limited time only till the 23rd of August. So as of watching this, you only have a day or two. So go ahead and join down below. And I really do appreciate watching my content, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.